Alright, so we are back for another sound test, guys, and today we have the new VK4 versus the 1.5 and also the OG VK4. So as promised, I am gonna do a comparison, and of course I still put in the MT1 because I do think the MT1 has some similarities in the tuning with the 2.0 VK4, and of course the EDX Pro as well in that price range, one of the better kind of more fun IMs. Of course, which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's start the sound test now.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And